Assalamu alaikum and welcome to our channel. In this video, we guide on latest kitchen layout trends for this year. Whether you are planning a complete kitchen remodel or just looking for fresh ideas to update your space, we have got you covered. This video dives into the most innovative and stylish kitchen layouts that will dominate this year. From open concepts designs to smart kitchens, we explore everything you need to know to create a functional and aesthetically pleasing kitchen. Technology is transforming kitchen into high-tech hubs. Smart kitchens equipped with the latest gadgets and appliances make cooking more convenient and enjoyable. Discover how to integrate voice controlled assistants, small refrigerators, and automated lighting into your kitchen layouts. Sustainability is at forefront of kitchen design this year. Homeowners are increasingly looking for eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient appliances. Efficient storage is a must-have for any modern kitchen. Innovative storage solutions are trending, helping you to keep your kitchen organized and clutter-free. 2024 is all about making bold statements in your kitchen, from vibrant cabinet colors to textured backsplashes. Adding a splash of personality to your kitchen is easier than ever. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more home design tips and trends. Until next time, happy decorating.